So, all of us with a little bit of experience recognize this stuff, and we were sold on how great it was. And I remember the salesman, which he tells everybody, oh, it's UV resistance, and then instantly everybody popped into their mind, oh, you mean I could run it without putting any protective covering on it? Because we took the word of a salesman. Yeah, I fell for that one too, guys. I'm guilty for not doing my own due diligence and actually looking up the specification as a reading. Listen to a salesman. So I'm up here on this job, and we didn't have roof access before, and the mini splits weren't working downstairs. There's 11 of them. So already we're doing a preliminary to see what kind of work I'm going to have to do. And we all know what might happen to this stuff. Wonder if I have a brand name on here. Let's look for a brand name. Well, let's see already. Look at that nice wet oily line right there. And then the next fitting up, that nice wet oily line right there. So we already know this might have a problem. Oh, that's a, what the hell? Why is that so sharp? Okay, it's not sharp. I thought that was a sharp bend. And what do we have for fittings in there? Yeah, I'm just doing real quick. Oh yeah, we got oily. Oh yeah, we got oily there. So we know we got a leaker there. And we gotta love them. We're looking good there. Maybe good there. Looking good there. Oh, we got oily over inside there, and that fitting. Maybe good there. Basically, once I see them, it's either flares or tightening, and we know both. A little bit of oil residue there, not bad. Looks somewhat dry, a little bit. Let's see, let's zoom in there. Just a slight color change from dark to light. This is where there's no oil, and then you see that darkness. That's a little seepage, but we don't know if that was